you go to spot for all things health and wellness. If you are passionate about taking care of your body, then you are at the right place. In today's video, we are diving into a topic that often get overlooked in our diet: how certain vegetables can affect our kidney health. Now, we all know veggies are packed with nutrients that are vital for our well-being. But for those with kidney concern, not all vegetables are created equal. Some can be high in substance like potassium and oxalate, which may pose risk if your kidney are not at their best. So how do we know which vegetable are friends and which are foes when it comes to kidney health? Top 5 vegetables that might be considered avoiding or limiting for optimal kidney functions. Spinach. Spinach is generally considered a nutritious leafy green vegetable, rich vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, but can be problematic for kidney health due to its high potassium and oxalate levels. Oxalate are naturally occurring compound found in many foods including spinach and can be contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals when consumed in excess. Oxalate can bind with calcium, forming crystals that may accumulate in the kidney, potentially leading to the development of kidney stones. Individuals with a history of kidney stones or those prone to oxalate related issues should exercise caution with spinach consumption. Limiting the intake of high oxalate foods like spinach may be advisable for such individuals to reduce the risk of stone formation. Potatoes. Potatoes are a staple in many dishes, however a particular concern for individuals with kidney related health issues due to their significant potassium content, which is especially concentrated in their skin. The outer layer of potatoes, the skin, is not rich in fiber but also serve as a reservoir for various minerals including potassium and phosphorus, minerals that can be problematic for those with compromised kidney functions. For individuals with impaired kidneys, regulating potassium and phosphorus intake is crucial because insignificant removal of these minerals by the kidneys can lead to imbalance in the blood, potentially resulting in conditions like hyperkalemia and elevated phosphorus levels. Additionally, the preparation method of potatoes such as frying or excess salting can contribute to health issues like high blood pressure and fluid retention, which are especially concerning for individuals with kidney conditions. Swiss chard. Swiss chard, with its vibrant leaves and rich nutritional profile, presents a dichotomy for renal health due to its notable constituents, potassium and oxalate. Excess potassium can be challenging to eliminate from the body. Elevated levels of potassium in the blood, known as hyperkalemia, can lead to serious health complications including irregular heartbeat and muscles weakness. Preparation method for Swiss chard can alter its impact on renal health. Boiling may reduce oxalate levels as these compounds are water soluble and can leach into cooking water. Broccoli. Broccoli is generally considered a nutritious vegetable, but for individuals with kidney issues, its high phosphorus content could be a concern. High levels of phosphorus in the blood may pose challenges for compromised kidney inefficiently eliminating excess phosphorus. While broccoli provides essential nutrients and fiber, but additionally broccoli contains purines which are broken down into uric acid in the body. High uric acid levels can increase the risk of kidney stones, but you should consume in moderate. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, renowned for their vibrant color and versatility, are a favorite ingredient in countless dishes. Nevertheless, for those managing kidney health, tomatoes present a unique nutritional challenges due to their substantial potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral crucial for fluid balance, nerves signaling and muscles construction. When kidneys are impressed, they may struggle to remove excess potassium, leading to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by high blood potassium levels. One medium tomato provides around 237 mg of potassium. While this may be a moderate amount for healthy individuals, it can be problematic for those with kidney disease. For instance, a cup of tomato sauce contains approximately 728 mg of potassium, a substantial amount for individuals with impaired kidney functions. Recommendation to limit the intake of tomatoes to avoid the exacerbation of hyperkalemia and its associated health issues, which above vegetable do you want to avoid? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.